Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel. It's Si here from Simoto Photo, and for those of you who watched my last video, we unboxed the all new Tiger 900 GT Aragon Edition. Well, today is another special day because we're going to unbox the rally version of it. So come on, we'll get the first look at what this bike looks like in the flesh. More in the back, it's just getting dropped off the back of a lorry, and we'll unbox this and we'll get a look at it together and see what it's all about. And drop your comments in the comment section. What do you think? What do you prefer, the rally or the GT version? Awesome, man.
It already looks mean with the extra bars on it.
Let's get this Aragon unboxed. Right, let's go. Andy is unboxing. First thing to do is he's going to take off the boxes with all the sort of parts and accessories in for the bike for its PDI. So this is the way they come, right out of the factory. This is special, this bike. We've been waiting on this one coming for quite some time. We revealed the GT Aragon on a unboxing video last week, and I showed the video up just at the start of the week actually, on Sunday. So this one is the rally variant, and we're all looking forward to seeing what this bike looks like. You looking forward to it, Andy?
This is right up my street, this bike.
I know. So they're wrapped really well when they come. So they've got, they're all strapped down to these crates, like really well anchored down to save the bikes from moving about at all. And you'll notice on this bike, it's got crash bars. This is one of the things that they're putting on the Aragons, or they're putting on the Rally Aragon. It's full crash bars on it, upper and lowers along a set of spots. I can already see some nice loomy colours here. Fantastic, man.
And reading up on what we've seen on the Triumph website, it's going to be a bit of a winner, I think. I like the graphics, the extra engine bars, the extra wide lights. It's just, it's definitely a bit of me, this bike.
Aye, me too.
It's got one of the best front ends of any bike in the business, I think.
Do you know, I think you're right. See with the running light on, the daytime running light on, it just looks epic.
Yeah.
So they're all strapped up the handlebars. The sort of clutch and brake lever are pinched with some padding. So the bike's got a quick shifter on it. It's got full engine protection. You've got your sump guard on the bottom. This is based on the Rally Pro. The only difference between this and the Rally Pro is the Rally Pro has got heated seats, which this one hasn't. Not standard. You can add them, they're pre-wired. You can add them in, but it's a standard fitment, they're not on them. But this bike, you get full crash protection as opposed to the standard Rally Sport. You get as opposed to the Rally Pro, you get only the bottom engine protection rather than the top end. So, Andy, are you ready to do a tank review?
Why?
Right, hold on a second. Let me just come round here. What do you think, man?
Very impressed. Very, very impressed. I think That's the best looking Tiger in the range, to be honest.
I think so.
Just for the bars, the paint, little gold bits of fork. That's a cracking looking thing.
Awesome, man. Awesome bike. Well, that was the Tiger 900 Rally Aragon Edition. What did you think of it? Did you like it? Do you like the colours of it? Do you prefer that over the GT version? Let me know. And please, if you liked the video, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. We've got plenty of Triumph content coming up over the next few weeks, so tune in, see what we've got on the go. We've got lots happening. We've also got another wee oddball, a review of a bike you might not be expecting, but I think you might enjoy it. So thanks again for tuning in to Moto Photo, and I look forward to seeing you next video. Take it easy, man.